what we doing here, right? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I decided to do another fire how to style. This time is on the Maniere Jordan 3. Now, that While You Were Sleeping pack, not one of my favorites, but out of it, this one was my favorite, man. I really like it. I mean, the pale purple, the gray, the black, it's kind of hard to get like a good fit. But I got a lot of tees that I think will make this sneaker pop. Watch it. For some reason, I really like this kit for Mike Tyson T to match. There's really no purple in it. There's some dull blue, like some dark blue that kind of match. But it's the wash denim look for me, the go on top of the vintage look of that Maniere. So I really like this. And with that being said, pay attention to that B-roll, because everything you saw in that B-roll, you won't see again. I got some more fire. Let's start with Supreme. You know this is a perfect match to that sneaker because the name of the shirt is called Dusty Purple. And when you think of Maniere, it's always that dusty purple, but dusty in a good way, not dusty in the bad way. So check this tee out. This one came out this season, maybe 2-3 months ago, and it is the Snow White. Perfect match, guys. This is that purple, guys. That dusty purple or that pale purple. This is the look. And then you just throw Hyper Beast on it with the Supreme Snow White look. Very dope. The back got a big Supreme word. And that time, and that's not time. What's this font, guys? Somebody put in the caption below. I think, I'm not even going, I know it, but I just don't know the name right now. But that's a dope match, man, to start off your outfit. Another tee I really like, and is very popular. These racing tees are very popular. I brought this one, no brainer if you watch the channel. Number 8, yellow car, reminds me of Kobe. That's why I brought it, but it's a perfect match to them Manieres too, man. You got like that dusty purple right there. Then you got all kinds of purples in it. And again, that vintage wash denim tee look. So this is definitely a match. I got this one from PacSun. How much? $40, but PacSun always has steals and deals, so you can get this probably lower than that. To be honest, I should have stayed with Supreme first before I went to the racing car joint. But this is a perfect match. Probably a little X-rated if you under 18, but perfect match, man. Got your black tee, of course, and then if you look at the woman's undergarments, we'll say, it is that little pale purple, also dusty purple. So I really like this match, man. I did tell you guys we're going to stay with Supreme for a little while, right? So a regular black and white tee, perfect match, of course. When you turn it to the back, you got the gremlin. I think her name Greta. Look deep in her eyes, guys. You guessed it, dusty purple. So I really like this match too, guys. The Uniglow collab with Cause. Not that popular, but this tee screams Maniere. You got that like faded brown, the gray in there, on a black tee. The back got the Cause logo in gray also. Dope match, guys. No purple, but dope match. How much I paid for this one? $24.90. The Uniglow got a stupid sale right now, especially on their latest collection, and that is the CPFM Sponge Ball collection with Uniglow. And I like this match for the Manieres also, man. You know, gray hoodie, tons of colors in here. One is sure to pop with the sneaker. I'm seeing like a purple right there, the hair, the purple little flower there. So It's a dope match also, and it's a crazy sale right now. They just came out, and it's a crazy sale on this. Retail before the sale is $49.90. Dope tags too. $49.90. I think I saw it for 15% off a couple of days ago. And besides that Kip for Mike Tyson T, I do got another Kip Tea. It has a lot of blue in it, guys, but it also has a bit of purple too. And that's the Kip for New York Tea, the Statue of Liberty, all dope. Besides the blue though, you do see the little purple in the background from like the sky or whatever. And again, wash denim. Wash denim on top of that sneaker looks so dope, man. But I really like this match also. Of course, Essentials. If you watch any of my hottest styles, I always tell y'all, go to Essential first, because Essential just makes a Jordan pop. I would go with the gray or the black. I showed them both in the B-roll. I would tell you guys to try to experiment a little bit and go with the that new colorway they got out now is killing my mind right now, but that'll kind of blend too, but gray and black is a no-brainer. This UGK Supreme Underground Kings tee I like, but it's like, it's a dark purple. It's more of that royal purple that we got in the Jordan 3 Maniers, the white ones, or even like the rag that comes with the sneaker, you know, when you open it up, that cloth. That's why I don't really recommend it, but it can blend, especially with the burgundy tones around the outline of the shirt. So I can see why you match, but y'all know I'm a Laker fan, and I got tons of Laker gear, and that purple from the Lakers, like this purple, it really don't sit too well, because that purple is like a lighter tone. As far as hats, man, both hats that I got to match came from the Kip from BMW situation. First, you got the M3 look right there with the Kip logo, super dope, purple. Or you could just go black with the Kip joint BMW logo on the back. I like them both. This one might be sold out. This one is affordable and gettable. Of course, box logo, man. I didn't get the box logo hoodie. I'm still a little upset about that, man. But I did get the hat, and this is a good match, man, also. As far as fitteds, I really like this fruit pack from Hat Club. Get it, fruit pack. That's grape. Hat Club does it big. I tell you that every time I get a chance. It's the St. Louis joint, but they got a whole bunch of teams in different colorways. Look at that pale. Look at that pale purple. Or is that pink? I think that's pale purple, guys. But the hat matches, guys. It just does. Or we could go back to my Lakers, the NBA Finals 2020, the bubble ring. A lot of people don't credit us for that. But perfect match, gray hat, a little bit of purple in there. I like this match also. I mean, yes sir. So that's a quick how to style on the Maniere Jordan 3s. I did the original black cement joint, so I said let me double back and give Maniere some love, because this while you were sleeping pack, I really kind of went down on, man. In the comment section below, hit me up if you need help with pricing, sizing, securing, anything you seen in this video. I hit you as soon as I see it, man. I'm here for y'all. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.